Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about multiple provider configuration in Terraform. Okay, so understanding the requirement first, there can be a requirement that multiple resource type in the same TF file need to be deployed in separate regions. Okay, so we have EC2 resource here and we have security group here, right? And we want this EC2 instance should be deployed in the Singapore region and the security group to be deployed in the Mumbai region or any other region according to the use cases. Okay, so setting the base, at this stage we have been dealing with the single provider configuration. In the below code, both resource will be created in the Singapore region itself. Okay, so if you see here, we are using only one provider section, right? And so the resources will be only created in the Singapore AP Southeast 1 region, right? But suppose you want to create this EC2 in some different region and you want this security group to be created in some different region. So here we have to use alias meta argument. So each provider can have one default configuration and any number of alternative configurations that include an extra name segment or alias. Okay, so here we have the configuration of the resource and here we have the configuration of multiple provider, right? And we are defining the multiple region here that there we want to deploy our resources, right? So final output using aliases, if we discuss about this, by using the provider meta argument you can select an alternate provider configuration for a resource. So here we have defined the provider section, provider configuration for the multiple regions, right? And we are creating the EC2 in Mumbai region and we are creating the security group in the USA region, right? So let's go ahead and try this out. So here we have the main.tf and I have created another file that is provider.tf. Okay, so in the main.tf I am going to create resources that will be EC2 AWS underscore instance and I am going to give name as bev. Then I am going to define the AMI and then after that I am going to define instance type, that will be t2.micro. Okay, let's save this and let's define the security group resource. AWS underscore security underscore group, right? Name I am going to give allow underscore TLS and here I am going to give name is equal to, what name we are going to give here? We can give any name like test, okay, or let's be some specific, so dev sg, right, like that. Okay, so I am going to use the specific name like devsg here for the security group, and in the provider we are going to define the provider block, provider AWS, then region I am going to define AP hyphen south east hyphen 1. Okay, so this will be the default region. Okay, let's define the another region for the multiple provider configuration. Okay, so let's define the provider AWS, and here we are going to define aliases, and that will be going to use US, and we are going to define the region here, that will be US East -1, and we are going to do the same for another region. Okay, so here we are going to use name Mumbai for aliases, and here we are going to use AP South 1. Okay, so let me remove the East one. So now, okay, so AP South 1, that is the Mumbai region. Okay, so let me get the AMI ID from the North Virginia region, because I am trying to create the EC2 in the North Virginia region. So I need to get the AMI, because I am using the hard coded values for now, just to show you. Okay, so let's wait, it's getting synced. Yeah, so we got the AMI here. Let's copy this AMI and paste here, save it, and now we have to use here provider. Okay, provider US aws.us, and here we have to use provider, that will be aws.mumbai. Okay, so this EC2 instance will get created in US region, US East 1, and this security group will get created in the Mumbai region. Okay, so whenever we want to create the resources in the multiple region, we have to use alias meta argument, and we have, so that we can define the multiple provider block, and we have to use the alias, and we have to define the region with the alias, right? So this is what we have seen in the document. Okay, so this is what we have just discussed here. So let's go and run Terraform init and Terraform apply. So let's save this first, and let's open the terminal. Let's run Terraform init. Terraform LAN. To see the plan, what resources it's going to create actually. So there will be two instance, right? Two resource. So let's run Terraform apply -auto -approve, so that resources will be created, right? So EC2 instance will be created in the North Virginia region, and this security group will be created in the Mumbai region. Okay, that is AP South 1, and for the default region we have used Singapore region, that is AP Southeast 1. Okay, so as you can see here, so it's creating security group first, then it's creating the EC2 instance, and apply has been already completed. Resources has been already added to our AWS account. So let's go ahead and verify it. So I am in the North Virginia US East 1, right? So let's check here. EC2 should be here only. As we can see, the EC2 instance is here in the US East 1, and let's go to the Mumbai region, so that we can verify the security group. Okay, it's getting opened. As you can see, we don't have any EC2 instance here, and if we go to the security group, so we can see the security group dev-sg, right, that we have created, managed by Terraform, right. So whenever you will create any resource using Terraform, that resource will have description with the managed by Terraform. Okay, this kind of description you are going to get by default whenever you are creating any resource using Terraform. Okay, so let's go back to the North Virginia region and let's verify, do we have the security group with the same name here for the North Virginia. So as you can see, here we have only one security group, that is the default one, and we don't have the security group with the name dev-sg that we have defined here in the configuration, right. So this is how we can use multiple provider block and use the aliases meta argument whenever we want to deploy our resources in the multiple regions. So I hope it's clear for you now, and you will be able to create resources in the multiple regions using the single configuration of the Terraform block. Okay, so if you have any query, any confusion regarding this video, then do let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.